So guys, welcome to Mercor. So this is a Mercor where you can work online and you are going to earn. So we have a lot of this type of sites where you can earn online. So though the payment is varies per hour, but you are going to first sign in. You just need your resume, your this thing, your LinkedIn, and your laptop. You are going to need laptop for AI review, something like that, for AI interview. So you are going to need for AI interview. So I'm going to log in now. You are going to log in. So I need to sign up for me to be able to do that. I haven't created an account on this bill, so I'm going to go ahead now and create an account on this website. So as you can see, I've been referred. You are going to see the link to this website. Is genuine, is real, is they are paying. If you can find your ways, they are paying. And make sure that you make, like, you do your own research before applying, so that you won't make a mistake and your signing in is going to go through successfully. You get, you understand. So I'm going to, like, this person referred me, yes. So you are going to read this thing, general test part. You can see 60 to 200 per hours. So you are going to see application, domain expert, interview, resume not done. So let me go ahead and submit my resume. So you are going to see in this role, you will evaluate your generated responses and provide structured written feedback. This is a great opportunity for sharp analytical thinkers. If you want to do your domain expert interview, that is AI is going to interview you, you are going to need a strong internet, and it will be done on your laptop, not on your phone. So you are going to need your laptop for the interview, and you are going to dress corporately. So for the AI interview, you will dress corporately, so the AI is going to see you as someone that is suitable for the job. So you want to appear like a person that is expecting the job, like maybe you already gotten the job. So go through all these things. You can see overview, basic qualifications, required skills, eligibility, contracts and payment terms, about Mercor, earn up to $800 by referring. You are going to see all these things. So my link, you are going to see my link. Use my link to open. So I'm going to be showing you more about how to get verified, how to submit your resume. Resume is very simple. Resume is just like a page of your about yourself, what you do, your skills, your name, your email, your address, something like that, and about yourself, what you want to do, like what you are planning to do, the skills that you want to take, or what you focus on. That's just like your resume. Just write it about yourself, the skills that you have, something like that, and make it neat. Doesn't need too much editing, no need of too much editing, just normal editing. So you are going to apply for all these things. So let me go ahead and submit my resume. So when I applied for generalist expert, so it's okay. The page is asking me for me to provide my LinkedIn URL. So right now my LinkedIn has a little bit of problem, so I'm still going to update it. So as you can see, you are going to be able to do a lot of things like your resume now. So resume is here. You are going to be able to done with it. So you are going to see your resume, complete the step. So you are going to complete the step here. Your resume is going to take once you are done. So that is just all about that. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to submit your resume, how to do domain expert interview, and how to work authorization, how to approve these things. So my next video, just make sure you click on the link and sign up. Sign up first. That is a first decision that you have to take now. First sign up. Once you heard about something that is legit, at least first sign up and go and read more about that and get prepared for what you need. Like, you need your resume and you need your laptop for the AI interview, and that's all what you need for now. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you that one. So See you in my next video, and make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and comment. So the link to Mercor is going to be under this video description. Click on it now. Click on the link now.